Now let's discuss what is YouTube handle. If you go to your YouTube studio, you will find this message here. Stand out and help people find and connect with you by choosing a unique YouTube handle. What are the benefits of it and how you can choose for your YouTube channel? Let's see. Now, in simple words, YouTube is making it easier for people or your audience to find your channel. Just like Instagram, you write @ and let's say write account tech. So in the similar way, YouTube has introduced handles. Now let's choose our unique handle for this YouTube channel. I'll click on choose now and it says account tech training and solutions. Hi there, your handle is reserved. Your handle is account tech training and solutions. So by default, it has given a handle name. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. So it says your additional channel URL is, this is the handle. If anyone writes @ this channel, then it will be able to find your channel. It is particularly useful because as you have noticed that due to increased number of creators on YouTube, sometimes there are a lot of channels with the same name. So even if you write that particular channel name, you will get a lot of channels with the same name. So in that case, if you have chosen a unique handle with it, then the other person will just write the handle name and he can easily find your channel. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, they are also guiding you on what exactly the handles are. You can play this video. I'll make it silent. So if I show you what I have specified, for example, these are 2 channels, but with the different handle names. So this is what you need in order to promote your channel effectively. Now for the majority of channels, YouTube automatically chooses a handle like this one. But if you want to choose a handle, make sure that it is unique so that you can use that handle in order to promote your channels so that your audience can easily find your channel with handles. Now there is a question that what if your preferred handle is already selected by the time you're able to choose? That's why it is recommended to choose your handle as soon as possible. So for that, they have provided the solution that if you have a personalized YouTube URL, then that will be your handle. Now the question is whether you can change the handle in future or not. You can definitely change the handle whenever you want, provided that it is not occupied by someone else. In that case, you need to change your name a little bit if it is occupied. So for example, if I want to change the handle, I can click here and the handle, let's say that the YouTube channel name is account tech training and solutions. But let's see if I plan that I might be changing my YouTube channel name in future. So I can choose the handle of my personal name as well. But this handle is taken. You can choose this recommended handle or you can write your own, something like this. And now it works. This one also works, saad.nadeem. So we can confirm the selection. Got it. So your handle is reserved. Your handle is @saad.nadeem. Now after assigning with the name, let's test this. I've opened the YouTube channel in private browsing. And let's say if I want to write the handle name, I will write / and the handle name is @saad.nadeem. And there you go. You can find the account tech training and solutions channel with my personalized name. So it is recommended for all the YouTubers to quickly choose your handles before it's gone. Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe to the channel if you like the video and we will see you in the next one.